Welcome back. I'm here with Muriel talking small business. We had a great conversation about how to build your business to sell, even if you don't want to sell it. So, Muriel, what are the three key takeaways that people should should draw from our discussion tonight and can utilize in their business starting tomorrow?
Yes, so I'm three takeaway. Like the first one could be to create those SOPs that I mentioned so you can delegate some task or automate it. That's one. The second one will be try to introduce some retainer. Even if you have a project-based business, there are ways to introduce some revenue predictability for your business. And the third one, build a digital presence for your business to generate inbound leads. Because if you depend only, on referral, it's a bit of a weakness. Because if the it's good and it's good to have, but it's more like a bonus. It can stop at any time. It won't transfer. So these are my three takeaways.